Attention Modern Airs, Adrian here. We are on January 3rd, I think. Somewhere in there. Anyway, this time of year is always weird for the dates, and then on top of that, this craziness that I brought on for this project here. Things are going well. I was actually here part of the day and then had to run up to be at an inspection for my client to put a house under contract. That went really well, which we weren't expecting, so we're very happy about that. And came back here. People were working here today to clear out the house. Our dumpster arrived. So almost all of the stuff got moved out today, which is great. We have a little bit more left in the garage. That was some demo work. The plumbing has already begun to be repiped, and the bathrooms are being put back together already as well. So cruising right along, it's kind of where stuff starts picking up its pace, waiting for some of the things that are on order to get in, but things are going great. I will spin this around and show you inside the house. Apologize it's dark again, but lights are off until electrical bits get completely redone. All right, it's like one of these haunted movies, but it's not actually haunted. So let me see if I open this front door, if this helps get some light in here. As you recall before, this was a giant pile of trash. It's gone. Kitchen is still completely gutted at this point, but it's most all the trash is removed except for the tile that's left here now. Up there, got that piece removed. This is still good to go. The room separator started to chip off this fake facade they put on, which is just weird. They put fake brick over real brick, so chipping that off, which is super neat. You can see some of the new packs coming in. Hot water heater will be out of here next, and then we'll clear out this flue here as well once the HVAC goes in, which is next Tuesday. And then through here, this is all kind of as it was. They did manage to get this tub out. We tried, we couldn't, so then more crew tried and ended up working for it. So that's great. Replace some floorboards here. That's where the tub was at, so that's all cleared out again, which is fantastic. That is where obviously the shower used to be, and so that's where this freestanding shower is going to go in now. That's down into the crawl space below. That was where the medicine cabinet was, which is gone now. We're having a one outside that's going to be put in there. Down the hallway, I think I showed you this last time, we were able to get the carpet out. That's into that bathroom. Got this freestanding unit out. Wood floors are actually in really good shape. Again, kind of expected. In here, things are also great. Got the floor or the carpet out. Wood floors are in great shape. Here we're again rebuilt this. Happy how this is looking. Got all the wallpaper off, prepping these walls, getting this all waterproof for the tile to go onto, but it is ready to roll. And then back to the kitchen space. So moving right along, I'm very happy with progress, how it's going. So that's a look at what the house looks like now.